Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, August 19th, 2019. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, we have another morning of muggy conditions out there with temperatures generally ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the interior and mid to upper 70s as you head towards the coast. Dew points are pretty much the same as the temperatures, and that's leading to some low clouds and also some fog, reducing below a mile in a few locations. So it's cloudy, it's muggy, it's foggy in some locations, and we also have a threat for a few isolated showers. When are we getting rid of this pattern? I got some good news for you. Just have to wait for the forecast. It's going to make you really, really happy. But first, we're going to have to deal with some thunderstorms. So we're going to take a look at the latest surface map. We have a little tropical disturbance out here in the Atlantic. This is going to head out into the ocean. No real impact on our region at all, but it's pretty interesting to watch. Meanwhile, we have a series of troughs that's approaching from the west. These troughs today will lead to the threat for isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. And some of those thunderstorms will be capable of packing quite a punch with very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, hail. Flash flooding is going to be a threat. Unfortunately, it's going to be happening pretty much when we have our evening rush hour. Then we have this cold front that's going to be moving through. By about tomorrow morning, it's going to stall out over the region and keep the threat for showers and thunderstorms in place. And then this cold front way up here. This one is going to be really strong, and it's actually going to be able to move through the region on Thursday with widespread showers and thunderstorms. And then we start to transition to a much cooler weather pattern. And it's something that I think everyone's going to enjoy with much lower humidity. So I'm going to take a look at our satellite picture. There's our tropical disturbance. It's heading out in the Atlantic. No threat for us, but something to just keep an eye on. As we look at along the coast, we have low clouds and mid clouds all over the region. And then notice we have these colder cloud tops here. This is associated with showers and thunderstorms. These showers and thunderstorms are due to a trough that's moving through. The cold front's still way off to the west here, but then as this trough approaches, we're going to watch to see how much it's able to produce thunderstorms and lift all this moisture in the atmosphere. So it's going to certainly be interesting to watch. So this afternoon, watch out for isolated widely scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will range from the mid 80s to lower 90s, but with all this humidity in the atmosphere, it's going to push your heat index into the mid 90s to lower 100s. Thus, we're seeing heat advisories being issued for the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Take some time if you're walking outside today, because that humidity is going to hit you like a wall. So drink plenty of water and just take it easy with these temperatures and humidity. For tonight, again, a lingering threat for showers and thunderstorms, followed by fog towards morning. Our cold front will approach. Not really much of a change in the air mass, but it will instigate the threat for isolated showers and thunderstorms tomorrow morning. In addition to that fog, lows in the lower to mid 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, again, a threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. Muggy, humid out there with the threat for those thunderstorms and heat index pushing into the mid 90s. It's just going to be rough out there. But by the time we get to Wednesday, our cold front lifts north as a warm front with a continued threat for isolated showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower to mid 70s, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. And then on Thursday, our strong cold front moves through. And this cold front will be capable of packing quite a punch, so there is a threat for some severe thunderstorms here. Look for temperatures on Thursday to range from the lower to mid 70s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. Then the big change happens. On Friday, that cold front's off the coast. Now, we'll have to watch out for these waves of low pressure keeping showers in the forecast. But the big thing you're going to notice is a slow decline in our humidity. And oh, by the way, the temperatures are going to be much cooler. Lows in the mid 60s, highs in the mid 70s. On Saturday, a few lingering showers are possible in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Look for lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, highs in the mid to upper 70s. On Sunday and Monday, high pressure will be in complete control, with lows in the mid 50s to lower 60s, possibly even a few lower 50s over the northern interior, with highs in the lower to mid 70s, possibly even a few upper 60s sprinkled in there along the immediate coast or over the far northern interior. So a much cooler air mass is on the way, much drier air mass is on the way, but we're going to have to still deal with some stormy weather conditions throughout much of this week. That is your forecast discussion. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.